Today I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 4G LTE 64GB. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 4G LTE is a versatile and portable tablet designed for everyday use, offering a great balance between performance, display, and connectivity. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or staying connected on the go, this tablet is built to handle it all efficiently. Starting with the display, the Galaxy Tab A9 features an 8.7-inch TFT screen with a resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels. While it's not AMOLED, the display is bright, colorful, and responsive, making it perfect for media consumption, reading, and casual browsing. The screen supports 16 million colors, and paired with Android 13 and One UI 5.1, it delivers smooth visuals and an intuitive interface. The compact size makes it easy to carry, perfect for work, school, or travel. Under the hood, this tablet is powered by the Mediatek Helio G99 Octa-Core processor, built on a 6nm process, combined with 4 GB of RAM. This setup ensures smooth multitasking for everyday apps and moderate gaming. While it's not a flagship processor, it performs well for casual users, handling apps like YouTube, Netflix, social media platforms, and productivity tools without noticeable lag. The Mali G57MC2 GPU also ensures smooth graphics performance for light gaming and video playback. Storage-wise, the Galaxy Tab A9 comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which is enough for apps, media, and documents. For users who need more space, Samsung supports expandable storage via microSD, making it convenient to store more photos, videos, and files. Connectivity is another strong point. The 4G LTE variant allows you to stay connected on the go without relying solely on Wi-Fi. It also features Bluetooth 5.3 and a USB Type-C 2.0 port for charging and data transfer. With a 5,100 mAh battery, the tablet offers a full day of usage on moderate tasks, and the included 15W fast charger ensures you can recharge quickly when needed. For cameras, the Galaxy Tab A9 comes with an 8MP rear camera with autofocus and a 2MP front camera. While it's not meant for professional photography, these cameras are perfect for video calls, casual photos, and online meetings. The dual speakers deliver clear sound, making media consumption and video calls more enjoyable. Software and usability are smooth thanks to Android 13 and Samsung's One UI 5.1, which provide a clean, user-friendly interface, customizable home screens, and Samsung-specific features like Samsung Notes, Samsung Kids, and split-screen multitasking. It's important to note that this is an international model. This tablet is fully unlocked and works with T-Mobile in the US, but calling features may not work with some other carriers, and eSIM is not supported. If you plan to use it in the US, make sure to check carrier compatibility. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 4G LTE is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, compact, and portable tablet. It's ideal for students, casual users, and those who want a tablet for media consumption, web browsing, or staying connected on the go. While it may not compete with high-end tablets, it provides solid performance, good display quality, and excellent connectivity at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tablet with LTE connectivity, solid performance, and a user-friendly Android interface, the Galaxy Tab A9 is definitely worth considering.